So today we are going to write a program to check whether a given number is a palindrome number or not. A palindrome number is a number which on reversing remains the same. So first I will create a file here named palin.java. Okay, and then let's suppose I have a number 2 1 to 1. If I reverse this number, it will remain 1 to 1. These type of numbers are known as a palindrome number. So let's start writing the program. Import java.util. This I am importing the util package. Then I will write my class name, that is palin. Then I will create the main function. Now I will create a instance of a class scanner sc equal to I will declare a variable name n and place semicolon. Then I will take input of number from the user. Enter the number. This is the println function of the system.out class. Now this is yet another function of the class scanner. After taking an input of the number, I will copy this number into a new variable named copy. I will declare this variable here, and then now I will write the logic of this program to check the palindrome number while n is greater than 0. Until and unless n is greater than 0, I will check the logic. Now what I will do, I will just pull out the last digit of the number. How can I do so? I will keep the last digit, store the last digit in another variable named r. R will be equal to n mod 10. This n mod 10 will give me the last digit of the number. Here I will declare r. Then I will store that last digit into another variable, that is p equal to p into 10 plus r. Why into 10? Initially I am initializing the value of p by 0. So after fetching the last digit, like let's suppose here we have, okay, here I have a number 1 to 1. Its last digit will be 1. Okay, 1 to 1 mod 10 will be equal to 1. Okay, now this 1 will go here, and here p, initial value of p is 0, so 0 into 10 will be equal to 0, and plus r, the value of r is 1, so 1. In first iteration, after first iteration, the value of p will be equal to 1. Now what I will do, I will update the value of n equal to n divided by 10. Now this will eliminate the last digit. This will eliminate the last digit from n. Now n becomes 12. 121 divided by 10 equal to 12. Okay. Now for second iteration, now we have 12. 12 divided by 10 equal to 2. And here we have 1. The value of p has been updated by 1 by the last iteration. Now 1 into 10 plus 2, it will be equal to 12. And here again we are eliminating the last value. 12 divided by 10 equal to 1. Now for the third iteration, 1 mod 10 will be equal to 1, and 12 into 10 plus 1 is equal to 121, and here 1 divided by 10 will be equal to 0. So as you can see here, the value of n has become 0. Now the while loop will not terminate. Now this statement will no more terminate as the condition has become false. Now we will write the next condition. In next condition we will check if p is equal to copy. Why I am checking with copy? Because now after this the value of n has been updated. Initially the value of n was the number, but in while loop I have changed the value of n, and now the value of n is 0. So I am checking it. That's why I have copied the value of n in the variable named copy. Now I am checking the number with the variable named copy. Then I will write system dot out dot println palindrome number. If this p is equal to copy, then it is a palindrome number. Here I have made a small mistake. I have to write it copy equal to n. Okay, and if it is not equal to copy, then we will write the else condition. System, what I will do, I will just copy this line and then paste it here and write not palindrome number. Okay, now let's check this. I will go to my terminal and write here java c, then my file name, that is palin.java. Click enter. No compilation error. Now we will execute the program java palin.java. Enter the number 121, palindrome number. As you can see here, it's a palindrome number. Let's check it once again for another number. Now let's assume I input force 53, 56 or a larger number and then press enter. Not a palindrome number. Let's take one more example. If I input 2442 and press enter, it's a palindrome number.